It was totally rigged because I
like,
always win. Oh, hello. Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Do y'all like my Christmas? This is the first Christmas nail set that I have put on. And I'm here for them. I love them. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. I did like a huge nail haul and I kind of tried them on for you guys. So if you want to go check that video out, I'll link it down below. But I love them. These are the first ones I chose. It was a hard decision. And I was gonna do the pink ones with the pretty little tree, but I decided on these ones. Anyways, we are about to head out. We're gonna go roast some marshmallows and make some s'mores and do some free bowling at this place that's downtown, uptown, near uptown, something like that. I don't know. But I wanted to show you my outfit because I very rarely ever go out like this anymore. And this is a first for, I mean, I can't tell you when. It's been a minute since I've actually like put myself together like this. So, you know, your girl's gonna document it. So let's go over to the mirror. Okay, so I am wearing these boots from Target. It's so dark. I'm so dark you can't even see me because I'm all dark. Hold on, let me go turn on these lights. There we go, that's a little bit better. Okay, so I have these knee-high boots that I got from Torrid several years ago. I love them. They just have this little silver zipper on the side with a little buckle. And then the inside is where you actually have a zipper to put your boot on. So they're super cute. I will link them down below because they have these or something similar to them. And these jeans are from Lane Bryant. This shirt, I have no idea where it's from, but it's super cute. Oh, hello. I have no idea where it's from, but it's super cute and I love it and it looks good. And it has the lace and then this little thing and then like a little cutout. It's so pretty. And then this is my hair. It's just down. It's almost 7 o'clock, so we're gonna go ahead and head out. It's not super Christmassy. I mean, the fact that we're gonna be outside in the cold, like making s'mores, it's kind of Christmassy, but I don't think that we're really gonna like see any lights tonight. But this is Vlogmas Day 1. Y'all, are you ready? Are you prepared? I live in Charlotte now. Charlotte, huge city with other little cities around it. They all put on these amazing Christmas things. Someone told me about like this Christmas town. Oh, you best believe we're gonna be doing tons of Christmas things on this channel. So if you guys aren't subscribed and you love all things Christmas, make sure you do. We're doing Vlogmas Day 1 right here. Not sure if I'm doing like 12 days of Christmas kind of thing for Vlogmas or if I'm doing a straight 25-day through and through. Not quite sure yet, but we will see together as we do this. But we're gonna go ahead and head out and I will see you when we get to the place. Where am I headed? Just in case any of you local Charlotte people, gotta find my phone, are interested and want a cool place to go to. I don't know if it's cool or not. I mean, I think it might be, just why we're going. It is called the Pin House and it is on Central Avenue in Plaza Midtown. So, hey, that's where we're going. I will see you guys there.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you.
Having a good time, we're at a party. Your game code is GRJE. I'm gonna play a song while we wait for the second game to start.
Say hi to the camera.
Buffalo Bills jacket and I want to go.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
Y'all, we had so much fun. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun. I played bingo, and usually I'm really good at bingo. Like, they must have done something to kind of like
Throw it off.
What do you call it?
Just to rig it.
To rig it. It was totally rigged because I always win a bingo.
We'll only let the people who bought our drinks win.
Huh? Oh.
The people who bought drinks.
Yeah, because obviously, like, we didn't. We brought in our water. We brought in water.
Well,
yeah. So we played the little cornhole, I think it's called. We roasted some marshmallows. That was like all free. Then we played a game
bowling.
of bowling, but
too.
yeah, that was everything. I didn't spend a penny.
Oh wow.
Which was really cool. And then they started playing bingo. It was like Rockstar Bingo, and oh my gosh, y'all, I love music, and they were playing all genres except for country. There was no country. But it was so much fun, and I was like, I've got to get in on this game. So once we were done waiting and we played bowling, we were done. They were ready to go, and I'm like, let's play another game. I want to play another game. So we went upstairs, and I got in. That's where the DJ was. I was like, I think we're like because there were other kids there. It was kind of like not like a bar, but it kind of was. Like, did you feel like you were at a bar?
Not really. Like, I always think of it like when there's a bar, there's like, I mean, I don't really know.
Yeah, like people were like out of control. Like no one was like, you know how it is when you go to a bar or a club. Like, I didn't feel like they were like not safe or anything. Obviously, if I felt that way, I would have been like, okay, we're out of here. But it wasn't a restaurant either because they had a food truck there. But it was just really cool. It was like real chill, and there was like a little fireplace outside, and it was just really cool. So anyways, we went upstairs, and I didn't feel comfortable inside upstairs because that's where like the actual bar was. So I was like, let's go outside. And so we just chilled outside and played bingo. And once you guys saw my phone and I showed you my phone, I had already gotten bingo at that point. But that point she switched it to 4-corner bingo, and I did not get the 4th corner. And by the time she kept saying, one more bingo, I think she was probably, because she had to leave it. I think she plays until 10. But yeah, it's 10:12. We're like party people over here. Like, I don't know who I am, because usually I'm in bed by now. Who is this? Oh,
it's 10:12. Like
684.
But yeah, like I'm like party people over here. I parallel parked. Like, what the heck? There's this amazing Harris Teeter in Starbucks that we're about to show you. That was like, I mean, beautiful. Like the architect, like seriously, like we'll drive 30 minutes just to come to this Starbucks. That's how beautiful it was. But yeah, we had a really good time, and I'm just really happy. Like, I love to be able to do things with my kids, and they actually want to be there, and they're like having fun. And I wasn't just into the bingo, they were too. The only thing is, it would have been so much more fun if they were playing bingo too, instead of just me. But we were like all into the music, and then it was like cool to see the songs that they knew. And I was just like, wait a minute, you know this song, and like the artists that they know. So it's really cool. Anyways, I'm not gonna stay here any longer because we need to head home, and we got a 30-minute drive. But I will see you guys at home. You guys like my nails? I don't know, you can really see them, but I love them. They're so cool. All right, we're gonna listen to Willow, and we will see you guys at the house. Get it nice and warm up in here.
As you cool
it down.
As you cool it down.
Did I?
Yeah, you lowered the temperature. It's fine. I'm trying.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when it's complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people. This is the city I met all my best friends, and I wanna thank every brick. I wanna thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ice Place while we roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoned, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love this city.
Okay guys, so that will do it for this video. We had so much fun. Did y'all see that skyline on the way back? It was so beautiful. The colors, breathtaking. And we saw it for a long time too. Like the way that GPS took me there, that was not the way that we went. And I've noticed that a lot with my GPS, where it'll take me one way and then it'll take me back another way. And so I am so glad that it took me back that way. Would you say we saw the skyline for at least like 5 minutes? Because we kept like, you would see it and then you would like have it in front of you or to the side of you, and then you would like Oh, it was just so pretty. It was so pretty. Breathtaking. I'm so glad I went that way. Or the GPS took me that way. But yeah, we had such a good time. And we're gonna have an amazing December. So I hope that you guys are subscribed and that you come back, and we'll see you tomorrow. I don't know if it's gonna be a vlog or if it's gonna be something else. By the way, it's not all going to be vlogs because of the fact that I do other things on this channel. So I know it's like Vlogmas, which means you're supposed to be vlogging, but I'm really just gonna upload a bunch of videos. Because it'll get quite boring if I'm just vlogging all the time, because I work a lot too. So, you know, you don't want to see those days. But I hope that you guys enjoy. Have an amazing day. Hope you're enjoying your holiday season. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.